Welcome to this tutorial on how to use LibreOffice Writer Online with RunApps, a powerful extension of the OffiDocs platform. To get started, go to RunApps and search for LibreOffice Writer Online. Click the icon to launch the application in your browser without installation. Once inside, you can create a blank document or select one of the available templates to make your work easier. LibreOffice Writer Online offers all the essential tools for text editing, font formatting, alignment, inserting images, tables, and much more. It also allows you to work with documents in formats such as ODT, DOC, and DOCX, ensuring compatibility with other Office suites. Customize your content with bold, italics, and different paragraph styles. You can insert lists, headings, and links to better structure your information. When you're done, save your document to the OffiDocs cloud or download it in your preferred format. You can also print it directly from the platform. Using LibreOffice Writer Online with RunApps is that easy. Access it from anywhere, without any hassle. Try this tool today at OffiDocs.